Hi viewers, this video is about how to prepare payroll or salary. Before starting our video, first thing we should know basic rules for professional tax slab, provident fund rules, ESI and how to calculate overtime. This is for Tamil Nadu. Based on this we have to calculate for professional tax, and this is provident fund for all over India, ESI also all over India. This will be differ from company to company. Here some companies just give basic, double basic, or some companies give single basic. This is very simple statement. This is overall basic salary. Based on number of days we have to calculate eligible basic. For that simply type round, just give reference total basic multiplied with number of days divided by 30, comma 0. Some months have 31 days. For that we have to make some minimum. It should not exceed this basic total basic. For that simply type minimum bracket open and just give comma this total basic. To copy this formula, that's it. Even if I put 31, it will be sealing with the basic total basic. It will not exceed that. After that DA, some companies give 10%, so just calculate 10% on eligible basic. Round, simply refer 10%, zero, HRA for metro cities 40% and small cities maximum 30%. So I just give 30% here based on eligible basic. Round, multiply 30%, others 20%, round, eligible basic 20%. First thing we need to calculate 1 hour. For that simply type round, we have to take from total basic. So basic multiply with hours 5 divided by 30 days for double 4, so 120. After that simple sum. You take it from eligible basic. After that PF, very simple, you just make calculation of 12%. Only we have to take eligible basic and DA. Multiply. This should be deducted only if the salary is below 21,000. In case if it is exceeding 21,000, we should not deduct ESI. In between, if there is any increase in salary, in that case we have to continue for 6 months. Everybody is not to be deducted for ESI. For that we have to make one more if condition. If the salary is less than 21,000, calculate 0.75%. Professional tax needs to be calculated based on slab rates. First we need to check slabs. It depends on state to state. For Tamil Nadu Up to 5, no tax. 5,001 to 7,500, 52.5. 7,501 to 10,000, 115. 10,001 to 12,500, 171. About 12,500, we have to use if conditional formula. Gross pay less than equal to 5,000 if gross pay L5 less than and equal to 7,500 is 52.5. Again, if gross pay L5 less than equal to 10,000, 115. Again, if gross pay less than equal to 12,500, 171, comma, if L5 more than 12,500, 208, comma, bracket close, bracket close, bracket close, bracket close, bracket close, enter. For income tax, we need to check whether the employee is having 5 lakh or more than 5 lakh per year. Based on that, we have to calculate. For April, need not to worry about it, just simply ignore it. After quarter, we can consider for it, but still there are some categories more than 10 lakhs, we can able to deduct some amount. Some, just give range. Net pay, gross minus total deductions. This is final stage of net pay. So based on net pay, we can able to pay salary. If you like this video, please share it, comment it. Please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.